Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how to add an accordion to your website using WebStarts. Accordions are sections on your web page that expand and contract. You'll often see them used in the frequently asked questions section of a website, like this one here. To follow along, be sure to sign up to create a free website at WebStarts.com. I've already done that, and I'm logged into my account. From the dashboard view, hover over the thumbnail of your site and click Edit Site to load the page editor. Select the page you want to add your accordion to from the drop-down in the top left. Create a space to insert the accordion on your web page using the smart handles attached to the surrounding elements. Click the plus button on the sidebar and locate the accordion. Drag the accordion where you'd like it to be displayed on your page. Edit the appearance of the accordion by clicking the style icon while the accordion is selected. Edit the content of the accordion by clicking the edit icon while the accordion is selected. Edit the content of each line within the accordion by clicking the edit icon to the right of it. You can change the heading in the body. Additionally, you can insert images, video, and graphics. Use the handles to the left of each line to arrange the content. Click the trash can icon to delete a line of content. Click the Update button to update the accordion content, or click the Add More button to create a new line. Click Save and your changes are published to the web. Click the View Site button to see your accordion in action. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be the first to find out when a new video or feature is released. Don't forget to visit WebStarts.com to create your very own free website. I'll see you next time.